Okay, now we're just going to have a little talk about how we sequence the dry phase. Really good series of drills to go through for that is just to work on what we call building from the catch. So your catch position in rowing is here when we're fully compressed, shins are vertical and the handle is in front of the seat. So when we say catch, this is where, as we change direction, we catch that flywheel and start to accelerate it from that front end. So the reason this drill is really important is being in that good, strong, efficient position is where we're going to start the acceleration, and if we don't get that front end position right, ultimately the acceleration is going to die off into the finish. So the first thing we're going to do, just with our nice relaxed grip on the handle, hip angle closed, and weight on the front of the seat. Okay, we're just going to start by just rowing first half legs, so just that first half of the leg drive. So we're just thinking about staying nice and relaxed, just maintaining that closed hip angle and just pushing on the foot plate, and that's where we're going to change direction. So we're just going to roll in, push out, roll in, push out. What we don't want to do at this stage is pull or open the body too early. Okay, so this is one of the biggest mistakes we'll see on the erg, is opening up too early. We just want to be able to just keep the shoulders in front of the hips. Okay? And then from there, we're just going to progress to legs only. So now pushing the legs all the way down. Just aiming to stay relaxed. Keep thinking about that change in direction at the catch. Change in direction on the feet. So when we're rowing legs only, if we get a little bit of hip angle opening, that's fine. That's quite natural. The key thing is just accelerating those legs down. And the next thing we're going to build to is legs and hips, so keeping the arms straight. So that should look like this. Really feel that big acceleration as you drive the hips open. So as we drive the hips, we're still driving them open against that foot plate, that foot connection we created at the catch. So again, legs, hips, legs, hips. And the final piece of the drive phase is adding the arms in. You should hopefully feel you've been effective with your hips. You don't really have to do too much with the arms at the finish. The better your hip drive is, the more power and leverage you're creating, the less work you need to do around the finish. Be nice and loose, just flow away onto that next stroke.